Hi, I'm Harry from Bretts Modular Homes here at the Brisbane HIA Home Show. This is our latest display cabin. What we've got, fully structured engineered frame with base for transportable reasons. This is clad here with the Lysaght Enseam matte monument finish. Windows manufactured also by Bretts. And as we move along onto the deck, we've got a hardwood deck here with lining boards, chamferboard, and at the ceiling. Okay, so inside we have all our cabinetry is a hoop pine veneer. We've tried to integrate as many space-saving ideas as possible. As you can see here, we've got a table that folds out with room and space for all your kitchen items. Right here, cupboard for your linen and everything like that. Oops, there's that one. Obviously TV area, living area, so forth. Another cabinet with more storage ideas, as many as we can. We have a bed that can be folded away. So it is there, it can be used as a couch or as a bed for someone staying over. Then this way we have the laundry and the bathroom. In here we have a full bathroom, fully tiled, the shower, toilet, vanity, plenty of room as you can see. So this is the laundry, fully functional, large tub. We have a washer and a dryer fitted in there. We have a ironing board that's concealed, it's fully usable. Plenty of storage, all soft closing drawers down below and also up above. Okay, out of the laundry, we move back into the kitchen where we have a fully integrated fridge down there with also a freezer down below. As you can see, there's plenty of storage, same as in the laundry. So we tried to incorporate as many space-saving features as you've got. We have dishwasher with the pot drawer directly below it. It's a stone bench top. Once again, there's plenty of storage up above here. We have a cooktop, a combination microwave, steam oven, convection oven, drawers, and over here we have the large pantry with all the pull-out drawers. So once again, as you can see, there's plenty of room. So I hope you enjoyed your tour of our little tiny home here. So if you need any more information or want to have a look, come and visit us down here at the home show and come and see what you can get and fit into a tiny space.